Hello everyone. My name is Sumita. I am Sangeeta.
My name is Rahul.
Currently, we all are working in Pearl Super Specialty Hospital, Ranchi, and we all are so proud that we have been a part of University Polytechnic VIT Mishra, Ranchi.
Hi, I am Rahul Kumar. BMLT course helped me to achieve my goal of higher education by providing better learning, lab-oriented classroom, and teacher-student interaction. This course provided a stepping step to get admission in post-graduation in microbiology. With this, I have secured 133 ranks in CSIR UGC GRF and also obtained 75% marks in GATE. With this CSIR UGC GRF fellowship, I am pursuing PhD from Bioengineering and Bio Department at VIT Mishra, Ranchi. Thanks all my teachers to guide me.
Today, I am working as a laboratory technician in IGMS Patna. BMLT gives a golden opportunity to get settled down in government as well as private sector.
Institute has many good things, but the best thing was its revised syllabus. The BMLT course syllabus cover all the subject theories and lab practicals which will require to enhance our knowledge, as well as it increases the chances to get the selection in government or public hospital and laboratories very easily after completing this course.
Everyone, we all are the student of University Polytechnic VIT Mishra, Ranchi, and now we are working at RIMS Ranchi as a lab technician. University Polytechnic VIT Mishra, Ranchi is one of the best institute. It has good infrastructure, advanced lab, fully residential greenish campus, excellent and experienced faculties. We all are very happy. Thank you all.
मैं अपना BMLT कोर्स यूनिवर्सिटी पॉलिटेक्निक VIT मिश्रा रांची से कंप्लीट किया। मेरा सेशन 2018 से 2021 था और मैंने इसी साल 2021 में अपना BMLT कोर्स कंप्लीट किया। और कोर्स कंप्लीट करते ही मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँ MMCH मेदिनी राय मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड हॉस्पिटल पलामू में। यहाँ के टीचर बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत फ्रेंडली हैं, हेल्प करते हैं हमेशा पढ़ाई में, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटी सभी चीज में हेल्प करते हैं। और यहाँ पे आपको माहौल बहुत अच्छी मिलेगी। यहाँ पे माहौल पढ़ने के लिए बहुत अच्छी है।
Hello everyone, my name is Pradeep Kumar, 2K6 batch, University Polytechnic, Ranchi. Currently, I am working in Pathfind Diagnostic, Ranchi. PSC MLT is a joint venture program of Government of Jharkhand Welfare Department and VIT Mishra. It's a AICTE approved. It's a great institute for doing BSc MLT. Our seniors and juniors working in PSUs and private institutions, and they are doing very good jobs. Thank you.
Hi. I am Amar Kumar from 2005 batch, student of first batch of BMLT, now working in IRL Jharkhand. For better career in medical laboratory, you have to choose right institute, and University Polytechnic VIT Mishra is one of the best institute in Jharkhand for BMLT.
Environment of the institute is very friendly. The laboratories are enriched with all the equipments which provide a good platform for hands-on experience, which is the actual requirement of a laboratory technician. I learned a lot during my course. Thank you, my mentors, for making all the things.
हमारा जो कॉलेज है यहाँ की डिग्री काफ़ी ज़्यादा वैल्यू रखती है। यहाँ के जो फैकल्टीज़ है वो भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, 24/7 स्टूडेंट्स के लिए अवेलेबल रहते हैं। यहाँ पे हर एक डिपार्टमेंट्स के लिए अलग अलग बिल्डिंग है। यहाँ के इन्वायरमेंट की बात करूँ तो बहुत अच्छा है, हैप्पी एंड हेल्थी इन्वायरमेंट है। थैंक यू माई टीचर्स।
University Polytechnic is best institute for BMLT in Jharkhand. All the courses are recognized by AICTE. BMLT is nicely designed course. Faculties are very knowledgeable and supportive, and also infrastructure are so well.
I am working as a territory manager at Fujifilm India. Now I based at Ranchi and looking entire Jharkhand. University Polytechnic VIT Mishra Ranchi is one of the best institute for this course. Thank you.
Currently I am working in the government hospital in my hometown. I am very thankful to the university, all my mentors and the teachers. They all groomed me a lot and made me confident enough. I want to make you aware that the kind of environment, culture and the knowledge which is given at VIT Mishra is one of the best. Actually, the course develops you in all-round manner and places you in reputed hospitals and other medical fields.
BMLT कोर्स की सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि इसमें स्कोप बहुत है। या हम हायर एजुकेशन की बातें करें या जॉब की, आफ्टर BMLT बहुत सारे कोर्स मिल जाते हैं हायर कोर्स के लिए जिसमें हम PG कर सकते हैं। BMLT कोर्स वर्क इतना अच्छा है कि मेरे लिए PG करना बहुत ही आसान हो गया था। थैंक यू माई ऑल मेंटर।
I'm a research scholar and is selected as a PhD student at China and Shanxi University. I had completed my graduation in BSc MLT in 2019 and was a student of 2K15 batch. After doing my BSc MLT, I had lots of opportunities to opt for, either go for the higher studies or go for the job. I had opted for my higher studies because I wanted to do research in my career.
College infrastructure is very greeny and beautiful. Hostel, mess, library, laboratory and sports all are very fine. Faculties here are extremely qualified but yet approachable. They provide us a golden platform to build up our career. Proud to be a part of this institute. Thank you.
Apart from curriculum part, that also helps to develop our personality and encourage to participate their sports and culture activity. Thank you.
I was very thankful to get such supporting and inspiring faculties. The college also holds world-class infrastructure with good qualitative and quantitative lab that increase my analytical knowledge. The most memorable experience I had was Sports Day, cultural program, Saraswati Puja and Vesan. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Harpreet Singh.
Hello, my name is Sagar Kapoor.
We are working in Rani Hospital, Ranchi, and we have studied from University Polytechnic BIT Misra. We are very proud of that college that we have studied. We have learned many skills from that college, and now we are here working as a lab technician. Thank you.
This is Meghlal from BMLT 2K70. About college, it was a very good place for seeking knowledge with well-equipped labs, classroom and extraordinary faculties. A lot of other things to do in the campus, just like Innovation, Unifesto, with incredible societies like photography and music club. I can talk a lot about these, but at last University Polytechnic BIT Mesra is best for BMLT. Thank you.